All right, a little 50 Cent there, wrapping about your birthday. What does a birthday have to do with this lesson? You'll see in a couple minutes. So today we're learning about narrative elements and themes so we can write our own impressive realistic fiction stories. Earlier, we talked about the 5 parts of a narrative. We're going to focus on themes in this video. Let's get into it. Let's do it. So your success criteria. By now, you should be able to list the 5 elements of a narrative, including theme. Yes, yes, yes. By the end of this video and today, you should be able to explain the difference between a theme and a topic. That's where the birthday will come in. Analyze a passage and identify it and write the theme. And create a theme for our own realistic fiction story. So here is the deal. So a theme, by definition, it's a life lesson learned. It's a big life lesson. It's really, what does the author want you to learn from the story? A piece of advice that you could apply to multiple situations. And that's just it. So it's more than just, I've shared with you, this is Mr. Ward, running into a parked car with my bike. It's not just, I learned not to run my car or my bike into a car. It's got to be bigger. I can apply it to different situations. So it would be something along the lines of, be more careful of my surroundings. Make better choices. It's a life lesson that applies to that situation and others. So you have to kind of word it, not just the small part of your story, but how can I apply that to other situations? We're going to work through it. It's different from a topic. A theme is a life lesson you learn about that topic. This is where the birthday comes into play. Because if you have a birthday party, you might have a theme for your birthday party. It's going to be 80s. It's going to be a 90s theme. It's going to be a SpongeBob theme. That's a topic. So it's not really a theme. A literary theme is different. A literary theme is a life lesson about that topic. So keep that in mind. So when we think of parties and themes and we think of topics, that's not a literary theme. A literary, narrative, fictional theme is a life lesson about the topic. So let's try this out. It's kind of off the screen here. All right, if I give you the word money, that's a topic. But what's a life lesson you can learn about money? Maybe it's money doesn't grow on trees. Parents told me that one a lot. So that would be a life lesson about money. Spend your money wisely. A life lesson about money. Money's the topic. Spend your money wisely. Money doesn't grow on trees. That's the theme. That's the life lesson about the topic of money. So now you're going to get a few statements. And after each one, you're going to answer a question, multiple choice. Is this a topic or a theme? Let's see how we do with this. So you're not going to be holding up a topic. You're going to be answering the question. Because this is Edpuzzle. No, we're not in the classroom. You don't have, unfortunately, the index card. Money doesn't grow on trees. I just talked about that and gave it away. Money doesn't grow on trees is a life lesson. You can apply that to multiple situations. It's a piece of advice. Family. Family is a topic. There is no lesson there. That's just the topic. Courage allows people to complete difficult tasks, to do difficult things. That is a theme. That is a life lesson. If you have courage, you'll be able to do the tough things in life. Love conquers all. Yes, that is a theme. There's a life lesson there that love will help you overcome the odds. School communities. That is a topic. There's no life lesson there. It's just a thing. Don't take family for granted. Yes, that is a theme. That is a life lesson you can apply throughout. Love. Love is a topic. There's no life lesson there. Now, what life lesson could you learn about love? Love conquers all. See how that works. All right, so that's pretty much it. You're going to end this video now, and we'll come back, and I'll give you the next step in our quest to learn about theme. It'll be fun. We'll watch 2 video clips. Hint, hint. All right, and that is it. Wardy is out of here.